Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the Step-by-Step English podcast. I am your host, Alex.
And I am Emma. Welcome to a very practical episode.
Emma, today we are helping people who work very hard. We are talking about delivery drivers.
Yes, people who work for DoorDash, UberEats, Walmart Spark, or Amazon Flex. It is a great job, but communication can be difficult.
Exactly. What do I say at the restaurant? What do I text the customer today? We will learn all the phrases you need.
By the end of this episode, you will feel confident and ready to work.
Let's start the engine and drive into the lesson. Okay, Emma, let's start. I'm at the restaurant to get the food. What should I say? Can I just say, give me the food?
No, Alex, that is too rude. You need to be polite. You should use the phrase picking up.
Okay. Can you give me an example?
Yes, you can say, "Hi, I am picking up an order for John."
That is simple. I am picking up an order for John.
Correct? Or, if you work for a specific app, you can be more specific. Like this. "Hello, I have a DoorDash order for Sarah." "Hi, UberEats pickup for Mike."
I see, but what if the food is not ready? Sometimes we have to wait a long time.
That is a common problem. You can ask the staff nicely. "Is the order ready? Do you know how long it will take?"
Do you know how long it will take? That is a very important question.
Yes, and before you leave the restaurant, you must check the items. You can ask, "Is everything in the bag? Are the drinks inside?"
Checking for drinks is very important. Okay, I have the food. Now I'm driving. But there is a lot of traffic. I will be late. What should I do?
You should text the customer. Honesty is the best policy.
What can I write to them?
You can send a short message like this. "Hi, the traffic is very heavy. I will be there in 10 minutes. Sorry for the delay. The restaurant was very busy."
I like sorry for the delay. It sounds professional.
Exactly. Sometimes, the restaurant is out of an item. For example, they don't have Coke. You need to ask the customer what they want.
Oh, that is stressful. How do I say that?
You can say, "Hi, the restaurant is out of Coke. Would you like a Pepsi instead? They don't have chocolate ice cream. Is vanilla okay?"
Is vanilla okay? Simple and clear. All right, Emma. I arrived at the address, but I don't know the gate code for the apartment.
You need to ask for the code politely. You can text or call. "Hi, I am at the gate. Could you please provide the gate code?" "I've arrived. What is the building number?"
Could you please provide the gate code? Got it.
Sometimes the instructions say leave at door.
So I just leave it and go?
You leave the food, take a photo, and send a nice final text. Like this. "I left your order at the door. Enjoy. Your groceries are on the porch. Have a great day."
Have a great day. This helps with getting 5 stars, right?
Absolutely. Being friendly helps your rating.
This is great. Let's do a role play. I am the driver, and you are the customer. I can't find your house.
Okay, ring ring. I am answering the phone. Hello?
Hi, this is your UberEats driver. I am on your street, but I can't find your house number.
Oh, I see. It is the blue house on the left, number 45.
Okay, I see the blue house now. I will be there in 1 minute.
Great, thank you. Please just leave it on the chair outside.
Understood. I will leave it on the chair. Have a wonderful evening.
You too. Bye.
How was that?
Perfect, Alex. You were clear and polite. Well done, Alex. Remember, be polite and calm.
Yes. These phrases make the job easier and help you earn money.
We hope this helps all the drivers out there.
Friends, if you liked this video, please subscribe to our channel. It helps us a lot.
Yes, and please like the video and leave a comment. Tell us about your job.
Thank you for listening. Drive safe.
Bye, everyone.